Do you need help? You want help? Here, pull it right here. Put your finger here. Put your finger here. There you go. What did you get? Is it a car? What's inside? Oh my goodness.
Mine.
No, it's the money.
Oh.
Can you say thank you, Grandma? Say thank you, thank you. Can you give your Grandma Mary a kiss? Girl.